Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is Nisha Sharma again is going to teach you science for class 3rd. So before starting our this one class, I want to ask one question from you people. My question is, name one living being which can breathe, grow, reproduce but cannot move from one place to other place. I am repeating my question. Name one living being which can breathe, which can grow, can reproduce but cannot move from one place to other place. Can you tell the answer? Yes, answer is plant. Plant is the living being which can reproduce, which can make food, but it cannot move from one place to other place. So, our today's topic is plant. Plants are our green friends. Why do we call them green friends? Because they are the base of our life. They provide us food to eat and oxygen to breathe. What do they provide? They provide food to eat and oxygen to breathe in. That's why they are our green friends. Now, our next topic is types of plant. So, there are basically 5 types of plants. What are these? Herb, shrub, creeper, climber, tree. What are these? These are herb, shrub, creeper, climber, tree. These are the types of plant. Now we will discuss them one by one. The first one is herb plant. Herb plant is a small size plant. It has soft and weak stem. Their stem is green in color. For example, coriander, spinach. As you can see in the picture, this is a coriander plant. It has many stems, but these all stems are green in color. है ना? These are so soft that you can eat them up. Okay. So herb is a plant which is small in size, soft and weak stem it has. Its stem is green and examples are coriander and spinach. Clear? And the next one is shrub. Shrub is a strong woody plant. Its stem is strong and woody and it is a medium sized plant. Its stem is brown in color and example of shrub are tulsi, rose and tulsi, rose and tulsi. So you can see tulsi plant in picture. You will see that the branches are spreading around and the medium sized plant it is. Okay, and the stem is strong but woody. Okay, now the next one is tree. Big plants are called trees. Tree is big in size. It has very thick and woody stem. It has very thick and woody stem. So the name of the stem of a tree is trunk. Not that elephant trunk. It is the stem of the tree. Okay. So we can say that stem of a tree is called trunk. Examples are mango tree, neem trees, peepal tree, banyan tree, these all are trees. Now, the next one is climber plants. Climber are the plants which has weak and green stem. They have weak and green stem. Climber, as the name suggests, it needs support to climb. They need support to climb. See, you would have seen at your home also, some of you would be having a money plant, and you will see that in money plant's pot there would be a stick and the plant would be growing around that stick. Okay, as you can see in the picture also, that plant is taking support of the grill and it is moving upward. Clear? So these are the climbers which climbs with the help of support, of wall or stick. It is clear, I think. Now next, creeper. Okay, what would happen if a pumpkin grows on a tree? If a pumpkin grows on a tree, when it fall down from tree, then it will make a great noise and the fruit also will be damaged by that. That's why these are creeper plant. See, basically all heavy or big size fruit are growing on creeper plant. They have very weak stem. They have very weak stem. They grows along the ground. They creep on the ground, we can say. That's why their name is creeper. Pumpkin plant, watermelon plant, these are the examples of creepers. As you can see in the picture that it is a watermelon plant and the plant is growing along the ground only. So these are the types of plant. Now we will talk about parts of plant. This picture is showing part of plant. As you can see in the picture, basically there are two parts of plant, or we can say two system of plant. Number one, which is under the ground, and number two, which is above the ground. The part of plant which is below the ground is called root system. What do we call it? Root system. And the part of plant that grow above the soil or above the ground is shoot system. Now, root can be of two types only, primary and secondary. These are the types on the basis of the growth or origin from where roots are grown. And shoot system is divided in other parts which are above the ground, like flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud. These all parts together form shoot system of the plant, and primary roots, secondary roots form root system of the plant. So students, today we discussed about types of plants and parts of plant. In parts of plant, today we have studied only the names of the parts of plant. In next class, we will discuss about all the functions of different parts of plant. So, till the time, watch the video, do the assignments and worksheets given to you, and keep learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.